to take you further more in depth this program partner with Anthony and you can see if you want and I will recap whatever you should why you should watch this video because and in my last video I'm also to you help to review a report from one of the Facebook group members to share his report how you can make money, how you can make profit in your first month from solo ad. Solo ad is solo ad is some people that have huge email list that you can pay them to rent his email list and also to add to your opt-in page in order to build your email list. But it is also not and most of you and cannot make profit. You can make even break even your break even after 4 months. But how you can tap into and make profit in the first month and also you can you should create your own product and inside your members area inside your product inside your members area and also you can tap into different tools and software for your recommendation and also every recommendation with your affiliate link if they and only buy the front end upsell and purchase any software and tools inside the members area and you will get paid. But this is also if you a product creator but you have to spend much more money and also time to create your own product. What if you have the product and you also will have how to can benefit from make multiple income stream multiple income stream is also the short name of MIS multiple income of stream. It's also I recommend and you can tap into that and partner with Anthony because in this partner with Anthony and what Anthony will walk you through how to build up your online business as well and also you can also partner with him in also to sell you don't have to sell anything because you will teaching the members and also within the members area and you can tap into your you can tap your affiliate link anybody any member purchase the tools within the members area and you get paid. This is also a very easy you don't have to pay and also you can see your sales page and let's take a look at what is the sales page and also I will input and also that I will place the partner with Anthony in the description below in the first link you will come to the sales page and let's take a look what is the sales page. Why not a partner with Mina for looking to build your online business? Why not partner with Mina for 2020? Anthony Morrison is a very successful business entrepreneur when product creation and also he is a special successful marketer and he has make about in 2030 he make over 1.5 million in QuickFunnels. QuickFunnels is a software is he's the first one person to make 1.5 million since 2030. This is 7 years ago. He also very successful and you can see this sales page. It also has been the CNN his CNN and long many years confident that you can grab it because and he is a very genius and most online courses leave you to do it all by yourself. But what if you could actually partner with it, make money when I make money and let me do most everything for you and you can grab it. There's also special offer just for the only $7 per month. That is no brainer because most of his and most of the high ticket offer that you will get at least $997 for his high ticket and he teach you and reveal his secret method is at least 997. Some of them are 1497 and over 2000. Some of them is also a very expensive but you can tap into this just for $7 per month and you will learn how to build your online business and also you can partner with him and all the selling for you if anyone and you can place your affiliate link any members purchase the fund purchase the software and tools inside the member and then you will get paid. This is also pretty simple just for $7. This is no brainer and I highly recommend you can grab it because this offer won't last or forever and then also inside the members area, let's pay like, and also you will claim your fee bonus that, and also this for you and you can see the screenshot and Anthony Morrison and also you can see he's also generated and over almost 1 billion because this 1 billion is also, and you can see that it's also a lifetime is also because all the members want to and use this software pretty much stay active as a member. That's also you can just promote it once if they active and stay as a member and you will get paid month after month. This is also a pretty awesome. But one recurring income because they have a ton of because they are all a lot of others too. You can tap into your affiliate just why join partner with Tencent and also you can multi-stream of income and also what is bonus by the way, the bonus simply means pinning to the offer to you this is just for one recurring income and also you get instant access to partner with dinner live event and also we do each week for everyone in our program. This is where you get a chance to interact with me. This is all at the moment and let me answer any question you might have so we can make sure you get everything up and running properly. And bonus number one, I'm giving you a complete done for you funnel that I use for my favorite online business. You can tap into this funnel and also you can create your funnel account and you will instantly import into the funnel account with his done for you funnel. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to decide for everything because you can because this done for you funnel you can instantly transfer to transfer into the funnel account. Bonus number two you will get a digital product of his first book the Hidden Millionaire, which will have sold over the 1 million copy but you can get it completely free. This is also the value is $19.95 value but it's yours free. Bonus number three you will get full access to my weekly Success Connection live training where I build this and give them to you completely free. That's also a very awesome because they will Anthony does have a hold is weekly live training every week about every Tuesday he's doing his live training. He teach you and about the online business and also the best benefit that you can. He also build a business for you completely free and also and help you to make more commission make more affiliate commission when you tap into this live training because he build your business completely free if you attend his weekly Success Connection live training. That's also just for $7 and this is also you can grab into okay. This is also the sales page and you can see this is also a very, very awesome you can tap into just for $7 and you can grab in also have free and bonus you can grab into and also they come with 100% 30-day money guarantee 30-day 100% money guarantee and you can try it and see it after the 30 days. If you are not satisfied you can refund but I highly recommend and if you tap into this is also a tons of and you can tap into but also you don't have to create your own product and if you also you promote it anyone that join the partner with Tencent and tap in and also anyone that also everything he recommend software and tools and other program and all everything is in your affiliate link anyway any member purchase these product tools or software and you will get paid. You don't have to create your product. Pretty simple. So I highly recommend that you could join this partner with Tencent just for $7 per month. This is no-brainer, under $10 and you can tap into multiple income stream. So let's take a look at what is inside in the members area. What is in the members? Okay, let's take a look at what is inside the members area and you can see that this is a very cleaner and in the dashboard and you can see that this is also first of all you will see that in the upper you will see dashboard commission and link. That is also the place that you can place your link and you for different affiliate link you can place and inside in this area and then you can make commission and any members tap into and purchase any tools software and program and you will get paid. This is also very easy and also this is a fast traffic source and also the number one problem is traffic. If you don't how to drive traffic you can tap into this is also one of the this is also the best way you can get traffic within the members area. Also I highly recommend that you can also tap into the other software other marketplace and sites and Udemy traffic from here. There's also any other place that you can tap into solo ad other than solo ad and also you can have other traffic sources that you can tap into and also the resources and lastly this is also the SE. This is also success connection. Then is also you can instantly connect with your live training because some of you may new to the live success connection you cannot because you cannot attend the live training this is also not a problem because Anthony and also and record every training in every record his training and you can watch the replay inside the members area as well so let's take a look at what is the and also you can see that this is also I complete this all the module and you can see that and you can see scroll down this also you can see that section 1 section 2 and you can see that section 30 it's also every section you have 30 section this also you can you should go for 30 days because why you should go for every 30 days because you can see that in this timer current module next module is now available this is also how many module you have completed this is also every module is for 1 day for 1 day after you complete this module you have to wait and 24 hours after you complete every section and you have to wait 24 hours and then you can open next section why this is also you can tap into at least 30 days to complete the partner with program that is also you can this is why have about 30 days training the section 1 and section 1 and section 2 section 3 is all about mindset about the mindset but why I tap into the section 3 because the section 3 is start to make your just started to talk about affiliate marketing and you can see that every section you can see this is also and have a different module module 1 what is affiliate marketing module 2 the profit cycle blueprint module 3 getting you basic tool module 3 let's review your new business model module 5 mark this section complete just after you watch this video watch all the video and also complete and necessary and register some software and tools that you necessary and after watch everything inside the section and the module 5 and you can mark this section complete and then you will waste after the 24 hours and you will go to next section so and you can see that this is the module number 1 if you are new and make money online you can see this is also about almost 30 minutes Anthony will walk you through what is the affiliate marketing is also the easy way you can make money online module number 2 profit cycle blueprint and also that he on and also that in the description below I also put a link for the second link and Anthony that also create a profit cycle blueprint course and you can instantly tap into and to see what is the profit cycle blueprint course is all about and the third and the module number 3 and you will get this is also you can get paid for your affiliate getting your basic tools yes you will get free the basic you must get tapped into for your online business and you should get your bill redirect account this is also like the this is also a tracking tracking software like Quick Magic Q-Like but this is also this is also built by Anthony Morrison supporting is also more powerful than just on the check-in test because you will when you tap into this and all you will talk more when you click this button, and you will go through the sales page and in the sales page and Anthony will walk you through what is the powerful of this build redirect that can take you to the next level and then you will get your ClickFunnels account. You will have a free trial. ClickFunnels is the page builder. Is only the and you can never tap into that. And also any funnel you can share that with your members. And also you will get this is also the page builder you must have and then the third basic tool that you do have is the autoresponder and Anthony is also recommended you can grab because he also using get response account and all you can get response a free trial after you have and apply that and tap into this free program and you can have their affiliate program when you have tap into the as a member and also tap into the affiliate link and you can simply put your link in this area and everyone and tap into this members area go through this training area if they purchase any software and tools inside the members because then you will get paid. This is a pretty simple and you will get paid all and Anthony Morrison do all the selling for you. This is also you don't have to create your own product and I don't and also you can this is also a very long learning journey for you have to learn at least for 30 days so and also just take you have a take a walk what it is inside the members area so I highly recommend that you can grab into this join partner with Anthony and also you can and learn what is the affiliate marketing as also you can make multiple income stream as well. So I highly recommend you tap into and also I put a link in the description below the first link you will come to partner with Anthony the second link they will create your account with the profit cycle blueprint you can create your free account to walk you through what inside in the members area so I highly recommend and also you don't and I highly recommend you can join partner with Anthony just for $7 per month. This is no brainer. Under $10 you can start to make multiple income of stream. So thanks for taking time to check out this marketing idea series. In the next video, I'm going to show you more way you can make more multiple income stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And other I have marketing tips ideas series. Marketing ideas series for you to help you to build your business. And also have a daily video about the product launch and also in the upcoming day I will find more ways to make money online in order to increase your side hustle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.